Hey there, interwebs, we're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we ride a lot of Forest Service roads, a lot of backwoods, double track, trails, and do overnight camping at the local area rec sites. Along the way, we talk about the experience, the countryside, and the gear we take and use on the camps. We'd love to have you along for the ride. So jump on the back of the bike, get ready, and let's go. So what did we think of the Beaverdam Rec Site?
I loved Beaverdam.
Beaverdam was awesome, wasn't it? That was 2 days. We were actually there 2 days.
Yes.
And
I would have stayed longer.
I would have stayed longer too. Yeah, that was fantastic. The only problem was no shade. So we ran around, we moved the chairs around and around in a circle chasing shade.
Yes.
The whole...
But now we have a tarp, we can make our own shade.
We can. Or about half of the sites there are more nestled in the trees, and there was a lot better access to all kinds of shade, particularly.
Yes, yeah.
So
I liked the access to the water though, because we were right next to the boat launch.
Yep.
And it was easy for us to get water to filter.
It's true. No swimming, because
no swimming. The giant leech.
Yeah.
Waving its way through like a snake through the water.
Yeah, that thing was massive.
If you swam quickly, though,
he did go fast.
Able to...
Also, stories are that the fish there, the brook trout there, are muddy, so not a lot of point in fishing. But it was still fantastic there.
Gorgeous, gorgeous scenery.
Yeah, beautiful summer
really
days.
Nice site. Yeah. Everybody there was friendly.
Fun ride there and back along the Gold Rush Trail.
Yes. Gold
Rush Snowmobile Trail, I should say.
I'd like to do it again.
Well, I guess summer is only 8 months away.
Yay.
So, I guess that's us. What do we say?
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Peace out.
Peace out.
Or goodbye.
Goodbye.
Laters. Next time. Oh, dear interwebs.